Hi guys. Hi my dear NEET aspirants, IIT-JEE Mains aspirants. Hi, good afternoon, good evening to everybody. Yeah, this is Mr. Bhanu Moorthy, SHARMA, Srushti Bhanu Moorthy Sharma SBMS Academy. Grand welcome to this SBMS Academy of Objective Physics. So this is a particular tuition point. I am a tuition master having 30 years teaching experience in NEET entrance as well as IIT entrance in Twin Cities, Hyderabad, Telangana state. My dear students, in the last video class I have given the information regarding NEET entrance point of view for all BPC students. Valuable information I have given. So great changes by NTA. Physics is on top. We discussed in the last video class. In this video class, I want to project some IIT-JEE Mains Phase 1 from different shifts, 10 shifts. I collected all question papers from chapter-wise. Now in this video class, I am going to project units and dimensions. I selected 6 questions. NTA, National Testing Agency, selected 6 questions from 10 shifts now in Phase 1 conducted in the month of January. So for units and dimensions, what type of questions they are asked in entrance examinations? After analyzing all these questions, you can understand how easy the question papers are, okay, in the month of January Phase 1. Let us discuss quickly in this video class one by one problem, okay. Now the first question is displacement is given as 3t square plus 4t plus 5. Find the velocity at t equals to 5 seconds. So it's nothing but differentiation problem, okay. So if displacement is given, velocity is rate of change of displacement. So differentiation of t square is 2t, differentiation of t is 1, differentiation of numerical value is 0. So we got 34 answer. Okay, so it's a very simple question they asked in Phase 1 entrance examination, IIT-JEE Mains. Now, let us go to second question quickly. Q equals to a power 4 b cube and c by c square is given there. So, a, b, c are constants. Their percentage changes are given there, 3%, 4%, 5%. My dear IIT-JEE Mains aspirants, it will be helpful to for NEET entrance examination, those who are going right. So for those students, YP students also, it will be very convenient problem it is. So we can discuss each and every problem in NEET entrance examination also. Okay. So, so percentages are given there. What is the percentage change in QL? So this is nothing but logarithmic based question. Okay. So if the percentages are below 10%, single digit percentages, then you have to do like this, logarithmics. So power times A, power times B, power times C. So of course, 4 times a percent plus 3 times b percent, and c square is a denominator. Even though it is in denominator, it goes to top, it becomes a positive only because they did not ask maximum or minimum. That is the reason why we have to understand that it is maximum. Okay, so it goes to top, then plus we have to do. Okay, so we have to add this one also. 2 times 5% here, c percent is 5, then 34 percentage. So this type of question is asked in Phase 1 entrance examination. It is also very simple. So in this academy, we discussed such type of these two problems so many number of times to the students now in this academy. Okay. So now length of a wire is increased by 0.1% and radius changes by 0.1%. What is the percentage change in the resistance? My dear students, unless you know the formula for resistance, you can't solve this problem first of all. Okay. So resistance equal to rho L by pi r square. Rho is constant here, pi is constant here, then r percentage equals to L percent plus 2 into r percent, because it is denominator. Even though it is in denominator, it goes to top. We have to understand that it is maximum percentage change, so that's why plus. Okay, so percentages are given there, that is 0.3%. My dear students, it is also very simple. So these two questions are based on percentage problems. Very simple. We discussed so many number of times in this academy just before Phase 1 examination. The students got good marks in this tutorial. Okay. Now, fourth question is P minus B A by B square into B minus V equals to RT, where P for pressure, V for volume, R for universal gas constant, and T for temperature. So what is here? What is asked here? Dimensional formula of A by B square. Of course, A and B are constants. A by B square dimensional formula they are asking. Okay, observe here. My dear NEET students as well as IIT-JEE students, So this in units and dimensions, principle of continuity, principle of homogeneity is there. Two principles are there. First principle I am giving here, in a given equation, if any two terms are subtracted or any two terms are added, then dimensionally both are equal. Suppose for example, p and a by b square, these two terms are subtracted. So p dimensional formula is equal to a by b square dimensional formula. So we are equating dimensional. So we got a value. Okay, p v square. Similarly, b and v also are having dimensionally same because they are subtracted. Dimension they are equal. So v equals to b. This is the principle of homogeneity, my dear students. Remember this point. Okay, so we got it here. We know a value, we know b value. A by b square is asking here. Then pv square by v square, that is p. P for present. My dear students, you should know dimensional formula of each and every physical quantity first of all. Okay, unless you know the dimensional formula, you can't solve this problem. Okay, right. So a by b square equals to m L inverse t minus 2. Okay. Now fifth question. Let us come to fifth one immediately. So force is given as F equal to x square plus b into t to the power of half. Okay, where x and t are distance and time, what is dimensional formula of b square by a? Okay, so it is also similar to this one. Because for a given equation, if number of terms, if a physical quantity is equal to sum of number of terms, if a physical quantity, say for example force, is equal to sum of number of terms, two terms are there, then each term should have the same dimensions as that of the physical quantity on the LHS side. This is principle number 2, homogeneity principle in this chapter. Only two principles are there, you have to utilize. Okay, so many problems are there from each and every principle. Okay, this is one of the problem. If a physical quantity is a sum of two terms, then each term has the same dimensions as that of physical quantity. So f is equals to, then f equal to ax square, then a value we got, bt power half equal to f, then b value we got, then asking b square by a. B square means what? F square by t power 4 square of this, here, then b a value f by x square. Then we got f x square by t, f dimensional formula, x dimensional formula, t dimensional formula I kept. Then we got b square by a. Okay, my dear students, this is the last question. Out of 10 shifts, 6 questions selected from this chapter. Okay, now energy is given as b minus x square by at, where x, t are length and time. Find a by b dimensional formula. Almost a similar type of questions they asked in phase 1. Okay. Suppose separately we have to divide separation here, b by at separate, minus x square by at separate. So if any equation is equal to sum of two terms, each term should have the same dimensions as that of the physical quantity, just like this one. Okay, so principle number 2 it is. So a by bt is equals to a by bt value should be equated to energy value. So b by a equals to energy into time. Energy dimension formula, time dimension formula you can substitute, you will get the final answer. Okay, my dear students, this is the information I want to project in this video class. Okay, chapter number 1 it is units and dimensions. Similarly, in the upcoming videos, I am going to project the chapter-wise video classes regarding IIT-JEE Mains Phase 1. So I collected all the questions from different shifts, 10 shifts in the month of January. Then chapter wise I selected, filtered, and I'm projecting video wise, because the students and parents are asking me, requesting me to initiate for the sake of the students in the video classes, okay, YouTube classes. My dear students, if you like this video, you share, like, share, and subscribe this video, and do viral this video to all your friend circle near and dear. Okay, so that all the students can get the awareness on this IIT JEE Mains in phase 2, how to appear for the examination. Okay, I hope that all the students will get maximum benefit from this video class. Okay, so I opened institute. This is Bhanu Moorthy's Academy of Objective Physics. So I have 30 years experience, teaching experience. I am taking physics classes now, video class, online classes, offline classes. For long distance students, I am taking online classes for shorter distance students nearby LB Nagar area, Vanasthalapuram area, okay, BN Reddy Nagar area, Hastinapuram area, the students are coming to my house. For them, I am conducting offline classes. So online classes, offline classes in the early morning hours, in the evening hours, especially for Sunday, 3 hours time, 3 hours in a batch. For example, morning 6 to 9 one batch, and 10 to 1 batch. Next 2 to 6 I am conducting another batch. So simply like that, 3 hours in a batch. Sunday special package batches these are. Okay, so my dear NEET students, IIT-JEE Mains students, so I hope that this video class will help you a lot. Okay, so try to keep on watching my video classes continuously, because I am going to release chapter-wise video classes for NEET students, for IIT-JEE Mains students. These questions, physics questions, are almost all similar to all. That is the reason why maximum preference I am giving to this video classes on the behalf of parents' request as well as students' request. Okay, so in the next video class, I'm going to project a fresh chapter. Okay, till then, goodbye. Okay, have a best of luck here. Have a good day. Okay, and share and like and subscribe all my video classes to your nearby. Okay, bye. See you.